Hello guys and welcome to today's video where I am going to show you how to set up your speed to lead application in your account. So the first thing we are going to do is to create our 3 custom fields. Click on settings, scroll to custom fields and click on it. And we are going to have to create 3 custom fields which are lead created timestamp. The next one is time to lead in minutes. And the third one is lead first, reply to timestamp. So as you can see, I have already created the 3 custom fields. But for you to do that, you just need to click on add field, single digit, next. From there, you fill the name of the custom field. Let's say the first one is lead created timestamp. That's what we're going to write here. And then make sure the group is contact. Also, make sure the object is contact and you click on save, and that's how you create the custom field. So you're going to do that for all the 3 custom fields we are supposed to create. And now, after creating our 3 custom fields, the next thing we would have to do is to create a tag, because our system is going to need a tag in order to run smoothly. So in your settings, click on tags and create a new tag. You name the tag new lead. Just click on new tag and the name new lead and you click create. As you can see, mine is already there. From there, we would need to go to our automations where we can start creating our workflows. Yeah, create a new workflow from scratch. We'll name this workflow lead entered, and the trigger will be contact created. Contact created, and the save trigger. Our next trigger is going to be tag, contact tag, add a filter, tag added, and choose the tag you created, which is new lead, and save. Let's create our first action, which is update contact field. Add a filter. You select the field you'd want to update, and we are supposed to update lead created timestamp. To do that, click on this icon and we are going to replace it by click on right now first. After clicking on right now, you would want to click on date. Give a space, click on the icon again and click on right now. Choose a 24-hour format and save the action. And that's it. Our first workflow has been created. Just make sure you save and publish. Okay, so we are about to begin with the second workflow, but before we do that, we need to install an application, Outbound Messages Action Automation for Workflows. And to do that, you just need to head to App Marketplace and search for the application you like to install, and then you click on it. From there, you click on install and allow an install. And now you make sure you ignore this pop-up and refresh the page. Now, when the page is fully loaded, just search for the application you installed and click on it. Next, head to the setup and click on Start Setup. Put your email address here and click Complete Setup. After the application is set up, let's head back to our automations and start working on our second workflow. Using the same steps we used when creating the first workflow, create a second workflow and name it Time to Lead Outbound. Here, our first trigger is going to be contact created, save, and the second is going to be the application we just installed, which is Outbound Messages. So you search Outbound and you choose Outbound Message Manual. Next, choose an operator and you choose SMS. Then click Save Trigger. And now the first action we are going to use is update contact field. add a filter, and select one of our custom fields, which is lead first replied to timestamp. Next, click on this icon, scroll down, click on right now, and select the date. Give a space. Do the same thing. Click on right now, but here you choose 24 hours format and you save. Our next action is going to be the speed to lead action. So you make sure you install the speed to lead first. Here it is. Now, time to become a lead. My contacts. Scroll to the bottom and custom fields. In our custom fields, use lead created timestamp. In the next one, we are going to enter your custom fields and lead first reply timestamp. In the contact count, click on this, scroll down to custom values and select lead count. And for some, do the same thing. Scroll down to custom values and select sum. In the last one, replace time to lead in minutes with the custom field time to lead in minutes and save. So our next action is going to be update the contact field. You add a field and select time to lead. Next, you choose search for speed to lead, and in speed to lead, click on response interval and save the action. To clearly identify what update is being made here, just name this speed to lead in minutes. Save. Heading over to the next action, update custom value. Here you can name it update sum. Replace the sum custom value and you replace it with search for speed to lead. In speed to lead, select sum and save the action. Let's update another custom value. Replace this with average speed to lead. And here we are replacing average speed to lead with search for speed to lead, and in speed to lead, select speed to lead average and save. And finally, the last action, which is still update custom value. The custom value we are going to be updating is lead counted, and we are going to replace it with just search for speed to lead, click on speed to lead, and in speed to lead, click on increment and you save. And that's it, guys. All of the assets we needed to set up have been set up successfully. Make sure you save the workflow, and it's always necessary to publish it. So if you want to see how it works, you need to head out of the workflows and go to your speed to lead custom page on the sidebar here. And when you click on this custom page, you'd have this pop-up here. The first tab is the statistics tab. And this is where you'll be able to follow up everything that happens. The values will be updated here. And that's basically how it works. Thank you for watching this video.